Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, fruit selling website. And this is a e-commerce website for selling the fruits online, right? And the technology stacks I have used for developing this project is PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using the PHP version 7 and MySQL version is 5.6. For front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations, creation of the validations and the integration of the date calendars, drop down menus, and the for sliders I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So this all technology stacks I have used for developing this project fruit selling website, right? And this is a mini project, and only customer can log in inside the system. Customer can register, customer can log in, and customer can order the fruits online, right? So this is the main objective for of this project, means customer can register, log in, add the fruit into the cart, and he can make the payment, right? So this is the main objective of this project, right? So let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have developed inside this project. So this is the home page of the project. You can see these fruit items are coming on the home page, and these all fruit items are coming from the database. Currently we have added 10 items, that's why it's showing the 10 items. But if you want to add more, you can add directly from the database. There is no admin panel available inside this project for managing the fruits, managing the orders, right? Because this is the mini project. This is a about project and it's a static page and there is nothing dynamic on it. If you want to change the content, then you can change it around the PHP. This is the all fruit items. So all fruit items which is available into the database will be displayed here. This is a all category. So this is the face frozen organic. So these are the categories and these are coming from the database also. Right? These are the all types, what type of fruits, tropicans, juicy. So this is that. According to the hit, the fruits will be filtered out. Even from here, fruit will be filtered out too. Right? So this is the login from where customer can log in and customer can buy the products or buy the fruits. This is the registration. If customer doesn't have the user ID and password, then customer can create his user ID and password, and after that he will be able to log in. This is a contact us page and this is a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending any type of mail and SMS from this page. So this is a totally static page. Now I am going to log in as a customer. So the user ID is customer and the password is test. Once customer log inside the system, customer will get the dashboard, including some of the extra functionalities, right? Like my orders, my accounts, change password. This will only be displayed after customer login, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is the my orders. It will show you all of your orders. Means it will show the orders of the customers who has login, right? So it will not show the order of other customers, right? If you click on the view details, you will be able to see the details what the fruit you have ordered, right? So let me show you so you can see. So there are 11 orders, so it's 11 orders are showing, right? Even this is a pagination, so you can see this is a smart table, and you can check the pagination also. Right? Even you can sort the records, so you can see if records are getting sort according to the amount. You can set the pagination preferences, means how many records you want to display in a single page. Even you can search the record from here too, right? So this is a smart table, and all the functionalities are working perfectly. So this is the my order, this is my account. From where you can update your account details. This is a change password from where you can update your account password. Now I am going to order some of the fruits. So all fruits I am going to add apple, and this is the apple content 1 kg, right? And 200, correct? Now I am going to all fruits, and I am going to watermelon, add to cart. So one, this is 100, total amount is 300, right? Now I am going to all categories, and this is papaya, I have added it into the cart. So now I have three items, but I need is 3 kg, correct? Now this is 3 kg, and total amount I have to pay is 750 rupees. Once you click on the place order, then it will ask your credit card details. This is a dummy page, there is nothing dynamic on it. So enter the garbage value, anything, it will accept all, right? It's a dummy page. So I am entering any card details, and that is, and expiry date, and the make payment. Once you click on the make payments, your order will be created, and you can see this is the date when you have made the order. You can see your order details in the my order section. You can see this is the 15th May order. Once you click on the view details, you will be able to see the details of all order items, right? Right. So these all functionalities I have developed. Right. This is a logout. Once you click on the logout, then above administration menu will not be displayed because it renders according to the session. Right. So you can see above administration menu is not displaying. But if I log in, above administrative menu is displaying. Right. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project fruit selling website. And as I told you earlier, this is a mini project on food selling, and I have developed it in PHP and MySQL, and this is a web-based DBMS project also. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.